Good morning, Rex. Today is Thursday, April 16th, which fittingly makes today National Wear Your Pajamas to Work Day. I guess I had that one planned out. They didn't plan out National High Five Day as well, though. I feel like it'll be the last one. However, I think a lot of places have been trying to get rid of it for years.
Classic. High five. That chip's all right. High five.
He keeps asking me to give him a high five.
That's the hot color. High five. High five.
I'm a salesman now. The high five is just so stupid. That's right. High five. On the flip side.
High five.
So maybe we're done with the high five for a little while. Make sure you're attacking online learning and do it a couple of different ways. I had some students reach out yesterday that wanted to set their own time to do a workout. As long as you can get 5 people, I'm okay with it. And maybe other teachers can work with you to get more participation. That's what we're looking for. And I think teachers are going to do this. I'm going to set the challenge out to everybody. But reach out to somebody maybe you haven't been in contact with today. And maybe you haven't seen them online or in your class. You haven't really heard much from them. See how they're doing. A lot of peer pressure can be very positive, and we need positive peer pressure right now. When everybody feels like everybody else isn't doing anything, it's tough to create your own energy, especially when you're so isolated. Counselors Connect is a great way to do that as well. Ms. Sharin has some great things for you. And make sure that you are staying isolated. You might be in more danger than you think, as I talked about yesterday. From the weekend there was a lot of people moving around, holidays, other stuff going on. We don't know if the numbers are going to rise. We don't know if you're asymptomatic for probably another month. Do the right thing, be safe, and preserve your future and those that you might care about, their future as well. No birthdays to bring up in the Rax community today, at least that I'm aware of. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, though, his birthday, and Akon. So there you go. Have a great Thursday, Rex. Be ready to attack it.